Hi, I'm George Edelman with StudioBinder, and today we're going to talk about meal times on call sheets. So let's hop in here and I'll tell you a few things about putting your meals onto your call sheet, and that'll help you keep your crew happy, fed, and on set. Say our call time is 8 a.m. We're going to want to have lunch 6 hours or less from our call time. So 8 a.m. means our lunch could go as late as 2 p.m. It cannot be 2:15. Has to be 2. 6 hours from crew call. Now we could do it a little earlier if we wanted to say 12:30 like we had it originally, and that's fine. Now we're also going to look at when the lunch comes in our mini schedule, and these kinds of things are useful. You can adjust them. You can say something like vegan options upon request. And that might be something you would have covered in advance, but just to give you an idea, there's special notes you can put in here about lunch. It's important to remember that when you break for lunch, technically the 1 hour lunchtime doesn't begin until the last person in your crew has been fed. Other important things to keep in mind with meals on set is that there's such a thing as a second meal. If you haven't heard of that before, it happens when you reach the 12-hour day mark. So you can wrap as late as 12 hours after you called, but if you are 12 hours and 1 minute over, then you need to have second meal. So when you get to your 12-hour and 1 minute wrap time, let's say our estimated wrap was 8, but we didn't have a second meal, we'll remove that. Now, if it's getting close to your 12 hours and you want to add your second meal, start thinking ahead because you don't want to be scrambling at 8:01. But say your estimated wrap was 11 p.m. and say you need to have your second meal listed at 7:30. And that's what you do. You just make sure that your second meal comes before you reach your 12-hour mark. And if there's anything else specific, here instead of this, we would remove and we'd add to our schedule second meal. It's going to be 7:30. That's just a brief rundown of how you would handle meals. Another tip would be if you have an early call time like 8, try and have something that can sort of serve as a quick breakfast for people who don't have time to get it together on the way there. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to know more, watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. If there's anything specific we haven't covered that you'd like to see us go into more detail on, comment below and let us know what it is.